What's up, guys? This is my 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Make sure you see the playlist link of other videos going on about this awesome little vehicle that I've had for a few years. We're doing the interior cabin air filter. It is behind the glove compartment. So what you'll need some kind of padding because you're going to be on your knees most likely. Some sort of pad will help you. And a flashlight, of course. Okay. From in here, we'll remove the door, of course, bring it down. You'll have a little soft dampener right there. Make sure you remove that. Be careful, don't break anything. So you have to just prop that off. You'll see where the little dampener slots in right there. So you have to pull that out to get it out of there. Just pull back on it and it'll pop right out. Okay, then squeeze in on both sides right here. Squeeze in on it and the door will drop down. Okay, and as it drops down, those hinges right there, it just pops off. So just lift everything off and set it on the floorboard. Right behind there is where the filter is located. And it has a hinge on the right side. We're facing forward, of course. Hinges over there, so just pull back on it. There's the door, bring it off. There's the filter right there, very simple. Just reach your hand up in there. It's a little bit flexible, so you can just reach up in there and just pull it out. Notice the way it's installed with the arrows pointing down. So take note of that when you're about to put the new one in. Mine's been in a little while, so it's a little dirty. You can see right there. It's kind of dirty, so yeah, it's time to do this. About every year or so is a good amount of time. I'll put a link down below where you can get the replacement filter. No big deal. Okay, and here it is, and notice the lettering and the arrows will be pointing down. And be careful, don't demolish it going up in it. Make sure there's no debris up in there or anything. You may need to take a shop vac if you see leaves or any debris or crap or whatever. You may need to suck that out, with your shop vac or with a cloth, in your hands or whatever. But just set it up in there, gently work it in. Okay, just gently, just work with it. Gently push it all up in there. Make sure that it's nice and flat all the way across. Then take your little door and hook it on the right side first, so that'll hook on the right side. Okay, it hooks around the outside right there, so you have to go kind of outside with it and then hook it back in. So those little slots actually grab onto a couple of hooks, that are straight out there. Then just gently push her in. You'll hear it click in place when it's good. That's all there is to it. One of the easiest cabin filters you'll ever do. Hook these guys back there on these little bars. Okay, now a couple things to note. Make sure that the top of it clears that little edge right there, because if you try to force it in, there's a post that's right there. Mine already broke off from the last time I did my filter. You see that little post right there? If you try to force it in and it's not clearing this upper region first, you'll break this post off, and you'll have a problem. You'll have to replace the whole one with a used one on eBay, and these are not cheap. So just make sure that it hooks up over here first. Push back end on it. Make sure it clears that little region right there. Then those little posts will grab on here and here, and then you'll put the little dampener back on. So if you see right up there, make sure it's clearing that underneath it. Otherwise you'll jam on it and push on it too hard and you'll break the whole thing. Okay, and this little little tether right here is what gives it dampening. So just reach up in there and pull it back and then put it in that little slot right there. You'll see it from inside there. Push it kind of forward to hook it in place and close it, and that's it. The trick is don't force it. If it's not going in there, that means it's not clearing that top region right there, and that's you'll end up getting frustrated and breaking something. So yeah, check out our channel. We got all kinds of videos about this car, 2017 Dodge Durango. Got the aftermarket, well, it's not aftermarket, it's OEM Mopar exhaust. It sounds amazing. Got the Diablo Sport tuner with an unlocked PCM. Really brings out some performance on this vehicle. So yeah, check out our other channel. You'll see on our channel all kinds of videos about this car and tons of other stuff. So please check it out. And if our video saved your life, click the thanks donation button under the video screen and feel free to shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a good one.